So in this video, we're going to learn how to create links to other pages. So this will be a text link to another page on the ORU website. So these will be internal links. So as always, let's first make sure that we are on the edit tab. So you should be able to click on there and the highlight should be underneath edit. And that's how you know it's on there. And another way you know that you're in the right spot is if you see the main content button. If you don't, go ahead and click edit and you'll be caught up with us. So we're going to click main content. And what we need to do is find a brand new line. Or a new line. And what we want to do is go to the last line and then we want to hit enter. And so now we're on a line all by itself. That's what we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to type link to another page. So normally you would probably type, if you have more information about how to apply, click here or whatever. But for training purposes, we're just going to put link to another page. And then the hope is that this is something that you can refer to in the future if you want to remember how to do things. So you can remember, oh, this is how I linked to another page. And you can kind of look at it and remember what you did. So what you're going to do is highlight the text. Last time what we did is we clicked this icon right here, which works. Is how you insert and edit a link. But you can also, after you highlight text, you can right click it. It's a little shortcut. If you want to get real fancy, you can hit Command K, which is a keyboard shortcut for Mac. And you can click link. It'll take you to the exact same insert edit window that the toolbar will take you to. So now we need to tell Omni where the page is that we want this link to take people to when they click it. So what we want to do is click this icon right here. Click that icon right there. There we go. When you're trying to link to another page inside of Omni, most of the time it's going to be in a different folder than what you're currently in. So I wanted to show how you would do that. So first you need to get to the home folder, because what you need to do is get out of this folder. So this tells us we are currently in the OmniCoach Training Sessions folder. So if I try to search right now, it'll only search within this folder. So I need to go to the home folder by clicking ORU up here like I just did. And you'll notice that there is a home icon here. So you know that you're home now. So now you need to use the filter to find the folder that you need. Now you're probably wondering, well, it's right here, Omni Training links. Can't I just click on that? You can, but normally in the live version of the site, you're going to have access to a lot more folders. And so it'll be much more efficient to actually just start typing in the name. So for instance, if I type in Omni-training, as you see, we got Omni-training links. This is the folder we need. So we'll click on that. And then once you click on that, we are now in the Omni Training Links folder, as you can see here and you can see here. So the page that we're going to link to is called the index. So here is index. Of course, you could filter by name and do that too. But we're going to click here and then we're going to click insert. Okay. Again, this text to display this is the same text that we typed earlier. So if you ever need to edit that, you could do it here or you could do it in the normal editor. So we can leave this alone. We don't need to worry about the title. When we're linking to other pages on the ORU website, we want to make sure we keep it at the default, which is open link in current window. We don't need to open in a new tab. That's actually irritating to most users. So we're going to keep it into current window, and then we don't need to worry about class or custom class. We're ready to go. So we're going to click save, and you see it's right here and now has an underline under it to let us know that it's now a hyperlink. It'll link to the page that we set it to. We click save, and there we go. We see it in the preview. And what you could do is you could test it in here. And the way you want to do that is I'm going to click I'm going to hold down the command button on a Mac, and then I'm going to click the link. If you see this page, then you have successfully linked to the correct page. So now you're ready to go to the next video.